Hello guys, and we have an update about code hybird 2020. So it started vibrating again, but this time it's on the lower speed, only like 10 miles per hour. I'm driving in the street and it's happened like 3-4 times already, and I record one time on the audio, but I thought I should do a video and let's see if it does again. So let me switch. As you can see, driving very slow. Maybe I'll go a little bit slower on 10 miles per hour. It did like twice already, more than that. I could not record that time, so I thought maybe I should make a video, and that will clear things up. See that? Here you go. I'm on 10 miles per hour, as you can see. You can hear it. Let me show. Both are on, engine and the battery is charging. Did you hear it? If I keep this speed, you're probably gonna hear it. And here you go. See that? Now it's off. So it's clear that it's still doing it, but it's happened after a long time, and because it does on the lower speed, so I decided to keep the lower speed and see if it's gonna do again. And this is, I think, like third or fourth time already I did that. So it's still vibrating, but I did not feel any vibrate on the higher speed after they said they fixed the issue and they replaced the microphone. But I don't know if it's microphone issue or not, but yeah, so they replaced one, but I think this car has 3 or 4. So if your car is doing the same thing, do comment below or make a video, and you can tell me in the comment section, and I can look up on your channel if it's still the same vibration or not. So let's go. I'm gonna go a little bit faster and then slow down and see if it's. I'm gonna try to keep it on 10 miles per hour, and we'll see if it does again. Here we go. It did increase a little bit when engine turns on, but it's not consistent. Now it's engine on, and let's see. Here we go. You heard that? So yeah, this is about it. I think you guys get the idea. If your hybrid code is doing the same thing, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one.